Hello, this is Sunny Posey with Cato Teacher Technology, and I am going to show you today how you could possibly speed up the movement of your Canvas account. Many people are experiencing high wait times because they have all of these different assignment groups set up. And then they also have their students having to go to files or pages with to see different things. And so there is a much more efficient way to do this that will help speed up your Canvas account. So I'm going to show you today how to do that. We are going to use the modules option, which will allow you to use any of those other things, but it all is housed here under modules. And then you're not having those different groups in all of those other sections. So we're going to start here by adding a new module, and this is going to be a template module. Template week of. I'm going to add this module. Then I'm going to come here to the plus sign under that template, and I want to add some text headers inside that module. So I'm going to add the days of the week. I'm going to type in Monday there and say add. And then I'm going to go back into the plus sign, and it's already still on text header. So we're going to go Tuesday, add. So now I have my template. So what I'm going to do at this point is I am going to move this template to the top. I'm going to say move module at the top. And it's going to move it all the way to the top. Now this template is going to stay at the top. As long as you don't put any assignments in the template itself, you will easily be able to duplicate this each week to add your items in here. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. And it's going to immediately show up here that it says template week of copy. And I'm going to come over here and edit. So then we're going to take out the word template. And then I'm going to go to the end and take out copy. And to help this teacher organize, we are going to go all the way back to the very beginning of the year. And it's going to be the week of September 8th through the 11th. Update module. So this is the week of September 8th through the 11th. That's a 4-day week because we were not in school on that Monday. So we will start with adding assignments to Tuesday. So we want to come here to the plus sign and say add assignments. Let me do that again. We're going to come here to this plus sign and we're going to say add assignment. Now, because these assignments already exist, I do not have to click new assignment. We are simply going to find the Tuesday, and we have to go, they're in here in alphabetical order by week. So let's see, Tuesday, September 8th, and I'm going to click on and highlight those 3 assignments because that's what she has for Tuesday, September 8th. And I'm going to say add. Now, they go to the bottom of my module. And all I have to do, is put them where they go. And then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to find Wednesday, September 9th. And I'm going to highlight those items. And they come in to the bottom. Here. And then I'm going to come and find Thursday, September 10th, and highlight those 3. They come in to the bottom. Of that week. And then last but not least, I'm going to go add Friday, September 11th, and add. And now we don't have to move those at all because they automatically go to the bottom of that module. So then we have all of that week done and taken care of. We can come over here and we can say duplicate, and we can add a new week, edit, and then we would take out template and then move to the end. And this is the week of September 14th through the 18th. And we will say update module. And then you would do the same thing here. So once you get all of your stuff moved over, and like I said, it is going to take you some time. And notice that we are going from the back all the way from the beginning to the very closest date that is possible. And you need to make sure that you make these public. Make sure that they are still all published so that the students can see them. And then once you get everything moved over, you will have all of your information for each week here. So all your students have to do is come to modules. Now, say you had a page that you needed to add in here that you'd already created. You simply click here, and then you can go and find your page that you have added. If you needed to insert a quiz here, you would simply do a quiz here. If you needed to do a file, you could put a file in. There are endless opportunities for you to be able to insert things into a module. And then you come back, after you get everything organized, you're going to come back over here to assignments. We're going to go find that 1st September date, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. 14. Okay, so here is September 11th. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say delete. Now don't panic, because it says, hey, wait a minute. What do you want to do with all the assignments? I'm going to move all of the assignments to, I have simply an assignments folder that I created. And I'm going to say, I'm moving all the assignments under assignments and say delete group. So then it takes away that group. It takes away the group title. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Delete. I want to move all of these to the, and I had to create this assignments group here so that everything will be under one group instead of all of these different groups. That will help speed up our Canvas program. Move. Assignments. Delete. Now, once you have gone through this process and you have gotten rid of all of these assignment groups and you just have one big list of assignments, your Canvas program will run so much more quickly. Now, unfortunately, you do have, if you have multiple classes and you have all of these assignment groups in each of your classes, you will have to do this for each of those classes. So now let me show you, now that I've finished that week, we are going to go find that, just that group of assignments. Okay, now that we have finished deleting all of those for that week, that group of the 8th through the 11th, you notice that here I have this assignments group and all of those assignments are still here. It has not affected those assignments at all. It has just relocated them into a large group. So when you get finished doing this, yes, your assignments will all just be jumbled together like this. But remember that if you go to your modules section, you have all of them under the September 8th through 11th broken down by the day, and they're all grouped together with that week. And so it is much more efficient for your students because this is a one-stop shop for them. They will only need to go here to this one location. You could even each day put the link. You could go here and say, I want to add a new assignment and I want to call it Zoom, and add it. And then I could have my Zoom link and go into the assignment and edit it. And then I could enter my Zoom information for that particular meeting so that my students knew exactly what time they were supposed to join my meeting. In the title, I could even put 9:30 a.m. So my students know on that day at 9:30 a.m. they're supposed to join my Zoom. And then I would put the link down here and then save the assignment. And then my students would easily be able to click in modules and see that on Friday they had a Zoom meeting at 9:30 a.m. So this is just a much easier way to organize your Canvas, and it helps to speed up your Canvas account so that you don't get bogged down in those assignments. And this comes straight from Canvas. They are the ones that told us that all of these different assignment groups is what is causing that sluggish use of the Canvas account. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have been working on getting all of this organized so that I could show you what it looked like at the end. So let me go into assignments. And as you can see, I have all of my assignment groups deleted. And I simply have the list of assignments here in the assignments section in the assignments tab, and their whole list here of everything that I have assigned so far. But if we go over to modules, you will see I have my template here at the top, and then I have all of my weeks with the activities under each day. And it is organized nice and neat. So my students only have to go to one location, which is modules, and they would have every single activity that was assigned to them. So I hope that this video has been helpful. I hope that it helps solve some of your issues with your Canvas running slowly. So just let us know if there's anything we can do to help.